Today I'm going to talk about simple ways we can make a difference on an individual level. These small actions can make all the difference in the world for our planet. Hi, I'm Arwa. I love sharing my design experience to make your home lovely on a budget. I'll be sharing 7 eco-friendly ways to make your kitchen sustainable. Kitchens are where we make our meals and a lot of memories with our families. But we often forget how our kitchens can help the environment. If we just make a few tweaks here and there, we can have a beautiful kitchen that's good for the planet. Like using materials that have been reused or recycled. By doing this, you are giving old things new life in a stylish and functional way. For instance, you can use reclaimed woods from old buildings or glass that has been melted and turned into something completely new. You can also use countertops made from recycled concrete or glass for an eco-friendly touch. We can cut down so much on the need to chop down new trees. Plus, I feel recycled materials have an authentic charm which can make your kitchen stand out. Just a tip, you guys, always check that recycled materials are in good condition, as they may need some treatment before you use them. Next part of the equation is how to use natural lighting. It's really important to me. Instead of depending on artificial lights during the daytime, we should make the most of natural sunlight. I notice I feel more energetic when I get enough sunlight every day. It gives us vitamin D and boosts our mood because of serotonin. It can truly transform your space. One of the best ways to let in more sunlight is by adding larger windows. And if you are renting, look for places with big windows and use mirrors to reflect light. These changes can brighten your kitchen and uplift your mood. Plus, more natural light means you'll rely less on artificial lights, which means saving energy and your bills. So it's a win-win for your wallet and the planet. Personally, I love those quiet moments after kids head off to school, sitting on the kitchen island and soaking in sunlight. This brings me to another way to brighten up your home: choosing the right paint. And when I say right, I don't just mean the color. It's also important to pick paints with low volatile organic compounds for a healthier home. And as the paint dries, these chemicals evaporate into the air, causing that strong smell we all recognize. The problem with regular paint is that they keep releasing the chemicals even after they are dry. And as you can imagine, long exposure to these chemicals can lead to serious health issues. These chemicals also contribute to indoor air pollution, which affects indoor air quality for weeks. That's why low VOC paints are a better choice. They are cleaner, healthier, and better for your home. Plus, you can find all your favorite colors in these eco-friendly options. But that's not all you should consider. Another thing to think about while building a house is choosing energy-efficient appliances. Let me explain it simply. We all know that a kitchen is not complete without the appliances we use every day, like fridge for keeping the food fresh and stove to cook the food, and even dishwasher that helps clean up. While these appliances are super helpful, but they can use up an insane amount of energy, which impacts our environment and our bills. The solution is, when you're buying appliances, look for energy-efficient labels. These appliances do the exact same job as your regular ones, but they are designed in a way that they use less energy. These appliances might be a bit more expensive to buy at first, but they actually save money in the long run. So if you're thinking about upgrading your kitchen or replacing an old appliance, remember to look for energy-efficient appliances. I think that's a very smart way to save money and help environment. Similarly, it's important to consider sustainable flooring. This might be confusing, but it's actually quite simple. Let's see. For instance, when you're choosing a floor for your kitchen, think and consider how different materials impact the environment. Instead of going towards traditional options like hardwood or vinyl, think about eco-friendly options like bamboo or cork. These materials not just protect our forests, but they also add a unique touch to our home. For instance, bamboo is a fantastic option because it grows back quickly, much faster than hardwood trees, which by the way can take decades to recover. Plus, cork flooring is sustainable since the tree is not cut down to harvest the cork. It continues to grow and produce more. By making these choices, you're not just upgrading your kitchen, you're also making a positive impact on the planet. Speaking of natural resources, water is super important in the kitchen, but we often use more than we really need. We can solve it like this. Install water-efficient fixtures like low-flow faucets and shower heads, which are designed to control the flow of water, still maintaining enough pressure for daily use. Which means you can still wash dishes and fill pots quickly, but also save water at the same time. It may not seem like much on a day-to-day basis, but making this small change can really add up and save you money on your water bills over time. Plus, you'll be helping to conserve water, which is a valuable resource. Last, but definitely a huge one, using EcoFriendly Splash SPR. And let me explain to you why this is huge. A splash back is a part of your kitchen wall behind your sink or stove that protects from water and cooking stains. If you want to install one, go for eco-friendly options like Arwa Splash. Arwa Splash is an aluminium panel made from recycled materials. It's completely waterproof, so you don't have to worry about water damage, especially behind the sinks. It's also super easy to clean, just a quick wipe and it looks brand new. Plus, it's heat resistant, which is perfect for the area, especially behind your stove where things can get really hot fast. So you guys, these are all the ways we can make our kitchen sustainable. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more interior design tips on a budget, and I'll see you next time.